Installing WordPress on Namecheap cPanel is a simple process. Here's how to do it. Log into cPanel. Start by logging into your Namecheap account. Navigate to the hosting list and select the cPanel button for the domain where you want to install WordPress. Locate Softaculous. Once in cPanel, scroll down to the software section and find the Softaculous app installer. Click on it. Select WordPress. In Softaculous, find the WordPress icon. Click on it to access the installation options. Begin installation. Click on the Install Now button. Fill in the required details such as your domain, site name, and description. Choose your desired admin username and password for the WordPress dashboard. Choose Settings. Configure additional options like plugins or themes if desired. You can also set your site to use HTTPS if you have an SSL certificate. Install. After filling in all necessary fields, click the Install button. The process will take a few moments. Access WordPress. Once installed, you will see a success message with your WordPress admin URL. Use the provided credentials to log in and start customizing your site.